जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, आरआरबी असिस्टेंट का लाइव मॉक चल रहा है, क्लर्क का। और एग्जाम भी डेढ़ में एक दो महीना बाकी है, 2 महीना बाद है। जुलाई अगस्त, हाँ, 2 महीना पूरा बाकी है अभी बोल सकते हैं। और 27 तारीख तक ये है आपका फॉर्म फिलअप डेट। तो फॉर्म फिलअप जरूर कर लीजिएगा। लास्ट में बहुत पैनिक हो जाता है। हम भी कर लेंगे कुछ दिन में। तो चलिए देते हैं और देखते हैं कितना आता है। If the second letter of each word is replaced by I, then how many? If the first letter of each word is replaced by the immediate previous letter, so how many word will have more than one vowel? L M Z T S, इसमें तो नहीं आएगा। T S O N G U का T, T का S नहीं, D A का Z हो जाएगा। P का हो जाएगा तेरा, N का M हो जाएगा। P का नहीं, नन। If the first and third, if the first and third, if the first and third letter of each word is a change to the immediate next letter and the second letter of the word is changed immediate previously, how many word will have only one vowel in them? E F R S E B E Z, इसमें तो नहीं होगा। M N O P Q A E I O U, और ये तेरा P V S D N O, एक T U, U का ये हो जाएगा तेरा बैक। एच आई, ये नहीं। पी यू, पी क्यू ओ पीछे, दो। टी यू एम एन, तीन। तीन वर्ड में एक vowel रहेगा। If letter R is inserted immediate left of the last letter, there are six villages A, B, C, D. A is 5 meter north of B. A is 5 meter north of A is 5 meter north of B. D is 10 kilometer north. A is C is 10 kilometer east of A. C is 10 kilometer east of A. D is 10 kilometer north of C. D is 10 kilometer north of C. D is 10 kilometer east of F. D is 10 kilometer east of F. F which is 5 kilometers south of E. F which is 5 kilometers south of E. What is the approximate shortest distance between A and AM? AM, huh? AM? भाई M तो है ही नहीं इसमें। M which is exactly between, oh, M which is exactly between 5, 10, 5। ओए, व्हाट इज द एप्रोक्सीमेट शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस? 125, तो 11 का आसपास. What is the shortest distance between E and B? E and B. ये हो गया 5. ये हो गया 10, 5, 20. In which direction is A with respect to D? A with respect to D इसको क्या बोलते हैं? साउथ वेस्ट. Study 8 friend dash 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 are standing in an horizontal in a line from left to right but not in a and all of them are facing north. Bali sits immediate right of Herschel. Bubbly sits immediate right of Harshal. Herschel. Four persons are sitting between Isha and Dhanush. Dhanush who is इशिका. एक दो तीन चार. धनुष. Dhanush who is standing. Fahad. Fahad. Gokul is at the right corner. Gokul is at the right corner and three persons are standing between Gokul and Akash. Gokul is standing at the right corner and three persons are standing between Gokul and Akash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. गोकुल. गोकुल. एक दो तीन. AKASH. 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 Chetan and Harshal are immediate neighbor of Akash. Chahetan. Bubbly sits immediate right of Harshal. 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 Bubbly. Ishika. एक दो तीन चार. धनुष. अरे क्या था? फहाद. Who is standing immediate right of Bubbly? Immediate right of Bubbly का Ishika. How many persons standing between Dhanush and Gokul? Dhanush and Gokul. एक दो तीन चार पाँच. What is the position of Chetan with respect to Fahad? Second to the right. Which of the following show two persons are standing between Fahad and Dhanush? Akash sits immediate left of Chetan standing. Ishika is second from one of the end. Who among the following stand exactly between Harsh and Gokul? Bubbly Ishika. To five person ground floor to fourth floor. 4, 3, 2, 1 ground. U sits on third floor. R is either R is either on second or fourth. R R. Two persons are between V and S. VS VS. Also V is below U. VS. How many offices are between U and T? Two. Eight persons were born in consecutive year. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. L was born before Y. L was born. L was born before Y, such that there was 4 year in between them. 4 year. इसमें चार जोड़ेंगे तो 78। ठीक है, चार बन रहा है। L was born before Y, such that 4 year between them. R was born immediate after Y. R was born immediate after Y. 3 year in between the birth of R and E. R and E. 3. O was born immediate before E. L. 4 178. Y. R. L. Y. R. L. Y. R. 3 month। क्या है? E है। E। 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 और उसके जस्ट ऊपर O। 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 3 year between the birth of R and E. O was born immediately before E. T was born immediately after N. T was born immediately after N. T was born immediately after N। इसमें तो है ही नहीं दो का जगह। T was born immediately after N। D was not born in odd year। D was not born in odd year, तो ये तो गया। हाँ, क्या हुआ भाई? अरे, सारा पॉसिबिलिटी कैसे कट गया? 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81। L। 75, 76, 78, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79। Y। R। R। L। Y। R। ठीक है, अगर इसमें दो 79, 78, 77, 79, 78, 77, तीन तीन अगर जोड़ेंगे तो ई आएगा ना। ई। ओ। ओ। फिर तेरा आएगा टी एन। फिर तेरा आएगा टी एन। ये कट जाएगा। डी। In which year D was born? 74. V was born immediately. Was born immediately after E. Immediately after E, and dash person is born between D and L. D and L, none. No. Who was born in the year 75? 75 L. 3 person born after T. 2 person born between D and L. 4 person born before E. In an exhibition, 6 different gems are kept in 3 stacks, such that each stack constitutes 2 gems. Stack 2 is below stack 3. Stack 2 is below stack 3 and above. Stack 2 is below. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Stack, stack, stack. Stack 2 is below 3 and above 1. Opal is kept. OPL. Opal is kept above Ruby. RUTY. Opal is kept above Ruby. कहाँ है? Opal is kept above Ruby. Pearl is not in stake 1. PERL. Opal is kept above Ruby. Pearl is not stake 1. Diamond is kept above Emerald and Topaz. DIMOND. Diamond is kept above Emerald and Topaz. Ruby and Opal are not kept with Topaz. Ruby and Opal are not Ruby and Opal are not kept with Topaz. Pearl is not kept with Opal and Topaz. PER Pearl is not हम दे दिए दे दिया है मम्मी को and Topaz. Pearl is not kept. Topaz 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 यहाँ है तो DIAMOND Diamond. टोपाज के साथ रूबी और ओपाल नहीं है तो RUBY रूबी ओपाल RUBY रूबी OPAL ओपाल ये तो हो गया रूबी ओपाल डायमंड ऊपर है एमराल्ड और टोपाज का पर्ल वन पे नहीं है और ओपाल और टोपाज के साथ भी नहीं है PEIRL पर्ल DIAMOND डायमंड और एमेराल्ड टोपाज इज kept on with Topaz is kept on with Emerald with stake 1. Opal is kept with Diamond. Which of the following is not correct? Ruby is stake 2, Topaz is stake 3, Diamond is stake 3, Pearl is stake 2, Emerald is stake 1. Which of the following gem is kept below Emerald? None. If Diamond is related to Ruby, if Diamond is related to Ruby and Pearl is related to Topaz, in the same way Opal is related to Ruby or Pearl. If the if the digits which appear at an even position from the string are reduced by 1, then how many later would be immediately followed by an even number? Thus, how many later would be immediately followed by an even number in the final string thus called? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of the following is fifth element to the right of ninth element from the left? Which of the element is fifth to the right of ninth element from the left string? Fifth plus nine, 14th. दो दो चार दो छः दो आठ दो दस दो बारह दो चौदह पाँच. As many letters are to the left of S as the number of entities to the right of. As many letters to the left of H. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left of S as many number of entity to the right of T. If all the digits are dropped from the string and the letter arranged in alphabetical order from left to right, then which will be the fifth letter from the left and thus form A, एक, B, C, दो, C, दो, C, दो, E, तीन, E, चार, F, F. Eight people are sitting in two pairs, four people are sitting north and rest are sitting south. There is an equal distance between them. D is sitting immediately right of A. D is sitting immediately right of A. D is sitting immediately right of A. D is sitting immediately left of A. D is sitting immediately right of E is sitting adjacent to B. E is sitting adjacent to B and in a row facing E is sitting adjacent to B in a row facing south. In a row facing south. C is not sitting opposite to C is not sitting opposite to A. F and A are not sitting in the same row. G is sitting third to the left of H. E, B, G is sitting third to the left. H who is sitting opposite to B. G is sitting third to the left of H. G is sitting third to the left of H. E, B, E. हेलो. हाँ. पता नहीं, देखना पड़ेगा. हम थोड़ा देर में फोन कर रहे हैं. D, D is sitting immediately to the right of A. तो ये ऐसे ही बनेगा A, D. और कैसे भी बन नहीं सकता ये. ठीक है. E is not sitting adjacent to E is not si- E is sitting C is not sitting opposite to A. C is not sitting opposite to A. ठीक है. F and A are not sitting in the same row. C, F. G is sitting third to the right of H. A is not sitting adjacent to G. F and A are not sitting in the same row. G is sitting third to the left of H. Oh, oh, G is sitting third to the left of C. G is sitting dash of C, second to the left. Select the pair show person sitting opposite to each other. D, 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 E, C. Who among the following is sitting adjacent to E? Adjacent to E, A, B, A, B. Find the odd one. F, D, G, F, D, G, B, H, F. I greater than B. I greater than is equal to B. No. X greater than is equal to G. No, neither no. C greater than Q. C greater than is equal to O. No. D greater than is equal to S. Either or. G greater than is equal to S. No. U greater than Y. Only two. X greater than R. ठीक है. A greater than I. Only one. Find the time taken by boat to cover 150 kilometer downstream. If the speed of the stream is itna and the speed of the boat in still water is itna. A certain sum of money becomes its sign of itself at simple interest if the ratio of numerical value of rate of interest and the time is itna 500% by 20x का ये हो जाएगा 25 x इज इक्वल टू 5 20 25 साल के लिए Pooja and Verna started an investment by 6:7. What is the share of Pooja if total 1950 by 13 15 पूजा current age is 8 year current age after 8 years is 20% of the Mahesh is 3 year ago sum of the present age of current Mahesh is itna what is the age of Karan after 2 years अगर 3 हो जाएगा। हेमंत bought a watch for इतना and sold it at a profit of इतना। 3 3 5 24, 120 का जीरो 12 हाथ में। 24 24 72, 84 का 4 8 हाथ में। 72 80, 804 35 50। 4 5 13 का 3 एक हाथ में। 4 43 84। हाँ। 3 5 5 5 24। अरे यार 120 का जीरो 12 हाथ में, फिर 120 132 का दो 13 हाथ में। 72 72 85। और ये तरह हो जाएगा फिर 3550। तो 2 10 का जीरो 13 14 का 4 एक हाथ में। 4 44 जीरो 2। गगन कवर्ड इतना किलोमीटर इन इतना। 720 5 16 80 नहीं 4 5 45। if is increase by 60 then find the time taken। 12 125 990 990 प्लस 146 6। और 11 1200 और भाई 1136 6। तो यह तेरा हो जाएगा एक। और ये तेरा हो जाएगा 4। 125 24 22.5। और ये तेरा हो जाएगा 18 का 4.5। तो भाई 18 आ जाएगा 9। 196 प्लस 299। 15 का 5 एक हाथ में। 18 19 का वो एक हाथ पे 3 4। और 216 23 9 3 2 2 3 9 6 5 2। 2/3 into 27 9। 18 माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 15। 60 4 192 4 196। और 60 256। 55 इंटू 108/132। 5 12 1 2 12 15 75 -24 51। हाँ, ओ 108 है। 108, 108 है तो ये तेरा हो जाएगा 9। 9, 45, 45 माइनस 24, 21। 81 इंटू 3 इंटू 8/6 इंटू 6 इज इक्वल टू x/16। 54 इंटू 16, 64 का 4 6 7 में 80। 6 का क्यूब और इंटू 3। 6 इंटू 3, 18/16। 12, 14 माइनस 25 इंटू 6, 30 का 0, 3 हाथ में। 12, 15। कितना हो जाएगा ये? 4, 9 प्लस x/6 इज इक्वल टू 60। 5/2 इंटू 4/3 इंटू 15, तो 5, 5, 5, 25, 50, 50, 42। 5, 15, 15 और ये 8 है, 7। 13 इंटू 50/65, 5, 10। 16 इंटू 5, 80। 80, 16 इंटू 5, 80, 80 माइनस रहेगा तो 1। हाँ, 16 इंटू 5। ओह, 16 इंटू 5 हो जाएगा तेरा 84। नहीं, 80। और यहाँ 64 ही आ रहा है, तो 16 4 बार में ना। 7 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2.5%। 60, 15, 8। 23 इंटू 60/69, 3। 20, 20/5। Dash in a year total collection. The total collection that year was इतना। What is the collection made by criminal and Fight Club? What is the ratio of collection made by criminal and Fight Club? 2:3. Collection made by Mission Impossible 10 percentage. How much percentage collection made by Perfect? 40%. What is the average collection made by Mission Impossible Criminal Revenge? Mission Impossible Criminal 30 और Revenge 45-15. What is the sum of collection made by Perfect and Revenge? Perfect and Revenge 40. What is the difference between collection made by Criminal and Fight Club? Criminal and Fight Club 10 crore. A KKR total run scored by 5 IPL teams. If the score run by 6 fours and itna only and the ratio of itna is 1:1, then find the score hits by 4. KKR 1000 रन. 1000 रन तो 100 चौका 100 छक्का. If the ratio of run by DD against SRK is itna and itna and 40% of the total run by DD against SRK are scored by a single player, then how many run by 25 40 50 DD 50 100 केकेआर का खिलाफ 1500 40%. What were the how many run were scored by that player? का 40% 600. What is the average run scored by KKR MI CSK? KKR 1000 MI 1500 CSK 1500. एवरेज पूछा ना. Average run scored per match by MI is 50. Then how many matches MI played? 30. 1500 by 50. Run scored by MI 1500 is what percent of the runs scored by RCB? The number of student XYZ 2, 4, 5. If the number of student in X is 300, then the number no 150 into no into 5 30 2 35 27 40 45 113 158 into 3 into 2.5 into 2 1.51 2 4 8 16 32 तो 280 1 4 9 16 2.5 13.5 1 4 9 16 53 63. नौ इंटू टू प्लस टू। Reena give 20% of the amount to Geeta and 60% amount to Sita. If she left with 1200, then find the amount Reena initially had. हाँ, तो इसमें मेरा स्कोर बना है 67 और एलआर में 3 गलत हो गया है। अरे यार, एलआर में इतना टाइम देने के बाद भी मेरे से नहीं बनता है। मेरा रीजनिंग बहुत बहुत खराब है। मैथ हम 18 मिनट में ही 39 बना दिए थे, एक पता नहीं कौन सा गलत हो गया। वो लास्ट वाला भी बना ही दिए थे हम, 40 में से 40 अटेम्प्ट हो जाता मेरा। इजी था, मतलब मैथ तो मेरे लिए इजी ही लगता है मेरे को हर बार, पर ये रीजनिंग मेरे को रुला देता है हर बार। 8 मिनट ज्यादा दिए और उससे कम ही बना पाए हम, 30, उसमें 3 गलत ही हो गया जितना बनाए। अब क्या ही बोला जा सकता है रीजनिंग में, दिमाग खराब कर देता है मेरा। तो आप लोग भी दीजिए और बताइए आप लोग कितना आया है। तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में। मेरा तो 67 आया है। 72 अटेम्प्ट किए थे, 4 गलत हो गया, तो 67 आया मेरा। और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में, तब तक के लिए बाय।